Hi everybody, welcome to day something, 14 days of Valentine's crafts. I've already lost count. All I know is Valentine's Day is Tuesday, so yay! Okay, so you guys remember my yarn wreath that I showed you guys how to make, and I asked if you guys wanted to see me make a charm, and you guys said yes. So I made it, and I'm going to show you how to make it as well. So here's the charm. Let me give a close-up. It's not exactly the same, meaning I didn't put the darker pink on the opposite side and on the bottom and on the top, but I'd say it's pretty darn close. As you can see, the two foam stickers on the top with the XOXO, the chopsticks, the larger sushi, the two little wasabis or wasabi, and then the heart, and then two rolls right there. So this took me a really long time to make. As you can see, it's textured. The yarn is textured as well to look like boucle. And the back was so messy, so I added like I don't know, a felt backing, I guess, to it. So that's how it looks. I couldn't make it any smaller than this because my hands just couldn't handle anything smaller than this. But yeah, that's how it looks, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and anything I don't show I'll obviously explain in the steps. So let's go ahead and show you the tools that you will need. I'm not going to go over the clay colors because there's quite a lot of clay colors, so I'll list that in the description bar. But to make everything else, in terms of the form, I just use white dirty clay that I had because I covered it up anyways. So I used white, gray, or like a metallic silver, pink clay, baby pink clay, and then like the hot pink clay, and then red clay. And for the chopsticks, I used a wooden stick that I just cut down. And for the shape itself, I used a round cookie cutter, but you don't necessarily have to. And some very important tools. I used my blade, a toothpick to paint on the little dots and the hearts and the XO, tweezers, and to texture the yarn itself, I used the needle tool that I have, and I just pressed into it like so. You'll need a blade or you will need like a rolling pin to flatten out your clay. And in terms of the paint that I used Ceramicoat in Cardinal Red and Folk Art in Baby Pink. And then to adhere all of the little pieces to the wreath itself, I used TLS this time as opposed to Bake and Bond. So, and then I just glazed the felt sushi and the wasabi and the hearts, and then a little bit of the silver yarn part as well, but I left this matte intentionally, and I'll probably put matte glaze on it. And then obviously you'll need an eye pen. So, yep, it took a long time to make. I mean, longer than I would have liked, but it was a learning process, so I think the next time I make this, and I'm sure to make more, it'll be a faster process. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let's go ahead and get started.